just heading back. Saw a decent amount of good birds. Saw great blue heron, snowy egret, a handful of white-faced ibises. I did see a Virginia rail, so I was able to get a couple pictures of him. Also saw a few spotted sandpipers, but they eluded me. I did not get pictures of them. Saw a couple of bullfrogs and quite a few muskrats and even a white-tailed deer. I was roaming around in these marsh area. You can see like some bedding areas. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. But it seems like the summer growth is in full swing. This whole area typically is just mud fields, but you can see it's quite overgrown. I haven't been here in a couple of weeks, so this is the furthest I've been able to go out. I usually wear my galoshes. Normally I'm trudging in mud, but this grass growth has allowed me to get out a little bit farther today, which is nice. And this river just looks so enticing, especially after walking all morning. Anyway, good outing.